Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HP04. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HP04 isn't heating up properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty heating element or a malfunctioning thermostat. If left unresolved, your device may become completely ineffective, leading to discomfort in cooler months and potential further damage to the unit. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement heating element, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your Dyson HP04 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. With your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. Be careful to keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this may damage the clips holding the casing together. Inside, locate the heating element. It will be connected by a couple of wires. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be important when replacing the component. Using your flathead screwdriver if needed, carefully disconnect the wires from the heating element. It's important to apply gentle pressure to avoid damaging any nearby components. Once the wires are disconnected, you can now remove the faulty heating element by unscrewing it from its mount. Take your new heating element and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it in place by tightening the screws without overdoing it, as this could strip the threads. Next, reconnect the wires, ensuring each wire is placed exactly as you noted earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully replace the casing by aligning it properly and gently pushing it back together. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to ensure the device is secure. Finally, plug your Dyson HP04 back in and switch it on to check if the heating function is working correctly. If everything is functioning well, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Dyson HP04. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to clean the filters regularly and avoid blocking the air intake. This will help maintain the efficiency of your device and prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.